Hello, welcome back to the QMO SynthMind channel. Today we'll be discussing one of the most powerful AI image generators, Leonardo AI. While ChatGPT can create text and Canva AI can help with design, Leonardo AI is a master at creating realistic visuals, from posters and illustrations to product concepts. Let's give it a try. Part 1. What is Leonardo AI? Leonardo AI is an AI-based platform for creating high-quality images and creative designs. Unlike other generators, Leonardo focuses on visual details, lighting, and artistic style, resulting in highly professional-looking results. Part 2. How to use Leonardo AI. Go to leonardo.ai, create a free account. Type a prompt, for example, a futuristic neon city at night, ultra-realistic, cinematic lighting, 4K render. Set the style, photorealistic, cinematic, anime, or digital art. Click Generate. The results can be used immediately for YouTube thumbnails, posters, or even product concepts. Part 3. Prompting tips. Use specific details, color, lighting, camera angle. Example prompt: ultra-realistic portrait of a young woman, cinematic lighting, 35mm camera angle, soft focus, warm tones. Add keywords: 4K, ultra-realistic, cinematic, for maximum results. That's a quick way to use Leonardo AI to create amazing images. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. See you in the next AI content with QMO SynthMind.